Hey guys, back here again. I have two more packs to open up for you. I was at Target today and I saw that they still had 2012 Topps out there, so I picked up a few packs. So let's just break them right open. Looking for those red border cards, so really cool to get those. Start with B.J. Raji, very nice. There's Matt Moore, Jake Locker. There's Drew Brees, Tramon Williams, Roy Halou, and we got a nice Ryan Fitzpatrick. Forget what those are called though. And then we have a Greg Olson. And there's St. Louis Rams, Vic Ballard, Terrence Ganaway, and Tampa Bay. And here's the other pack. Did we get something good? There's the decoy there. Looks like we got one of the tall boys in here. We got Matt Schaub. There's Elvis Dumervil. Jabbar Gaffney. Matt Castle. Richard Seymour. And there's the giveaway. There's Akeem Nicks, tall boy, nice. Quentin Couples, rookie. Melvin Ingram, rookie. Nick Perry, rookie. There's Brandon Browner and Cleveland Browns. So nothing too much, just the tall boy there of Akeem Nicks and then a Ryan Fitzpatrick. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you later.